Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you this hybrid Tea Rose Broadway. I've had this for 4 years now. This year I didn't trim it back like in the fall or something. I just left it grow. It seems to be having a lot more buds on it, and it got real tall. And I'm going to be showing you as it blooms in segments on this video. It's gotten real tall. Plenty of blooms on it. I didn't do too much with this. I just deadheaded the flowers as they died off and left it go. And it got real tall, and it's loaded with blooms this year. Oh, I thought I'd experiment a little and not cut it back this year. And it looks really great. Beautiful. But if you do want it bushier, you can cut it back. But I wanted to let it go this year. There's buds coming out down here too. It's been about 4 days later, and this one opened up. The roses. And there's a lot of buds that'll be opening, and I'll show you as they open up more. And we have this one. And some more over here. More flowers there. And this one down below is starting to open. You got more that are going to be opening. Let me back up a little. There's all the buds coming out. This thing got bigger than me. Alright, we got some more roses that are opening. A few more days later. Still got a lot of buds. And I'll just keep showing you as they open up. I got a pretty one here. And this is the one that's already open from the other part of the video. And we got some up here. Right there. And some more will be opening here. One down below. More buds down there are going to be opening. Alright, I'll be back with some more shots of the roses. This is the next day, and most of them, just about all of them, opened up now. Got all these flowers. I wanted to get this last video before it rains and storms. Got one here. Let's see. Got more over here. If I can get up here. There's another one. There's two here. And this one down here is opening up. Get a long shot. Really pretty. Alright, I want to thank you all for watching. Any comments, just put them below. Bye-bye for now.